Hello, I received your question here. You got 624 males, age 18 to 64, 399 say they've gone to the dentist in the past year. You want to construct a 90-95% confidence interval for the population portion. Interpret the results, etc., etc. So the first part, you do it for 90%, then you have to turn around and do it to 95%. So first thing you need to do is find the sample proportion, and they call that, I guess, p hat. And p hat is x over n. And on this particular problem, x, is 399 that said they've gone to the dentist out of the total 624. That's called the sample proportion. So it's 399 over 624, and I'll take that 3 places here, and you put that in a calculator and you get 0.639. Next we need to find q hat, which is just a complement of p hat. So it's 1 minus p hat, which is 1 minus 0.639. So q hat is 0.361. And next we need the margin of error, and so it's defined to be equal E equals the z-score times the square root of p hat times q hat over n. So for this particular problem, I guess, let's see, we need to, well, the z-score, we've got p hat, q hat, and n. So the z-score, I mean, if you look it up, for a 90% confidence interval, the z-score is what, 1.645. And so the margin of error here would be 1.645 times the square root of p hat, which came up there is 0.639, times q hat, which is 0.361 over n. That's how many people were in the sample. That's the 624. And so the margin of error comes out to 0.032 when you put that in your calculator. And so now we want the confidence interval, which is p hat minus the margin of error and p hat plus the margin of error. And let's see, what was p hat? P hat was the 0.639. So it's going to be what, 0.639 minus the margin of error, and then comma 0.639 plus the margin of error. Let's see, if you put that in your calculator, what do we come up with? It's at 0.607 to 0.671 would be the confidence interval. Hope this helps.